Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to download and install Scum on PC or laptop. In order to install Scum on laptop or PC, you have to first of all open up or create an account on Steam. So likewise, you also need to go ahead and install the application. So type in steampower.com. It's going to take you to the offshore page here. Go ahead and press the install button and run the installation process. When you're done completely installing the application, then it's going to take you to the home page. Then you have to go ahead and create your account. When you're done creating your account, go to stores, and when you're on the stores page here, you need to go ahead and tap on the search box, type in the game that you're looking for, that is Scum. Type in that. When you locate the following game that you're looking for, now you could go ahead and press on the install button, and likewise you could go ahead and download it, or you could just go ahead and purchase the game. Then you'll be able to access the game. So that's basically how you can download and install Scum on PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.